Good evening, my fellow traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on that gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? As you can see, we have a valid swing low bullish engulfing pattern that happens at my trend continuation zone that I was looking at for the possible entries. Now it is a valid aggressive entry, and for now my target looks something like this. I've kept my stop loss bit below right here, so that if let's say the price forms a double bottom pattern, in that case for the less aggressive traders we have a room for the price to form a double bottom pattern. If not, we have a condition here on this platform right here I was looking at, and let's see how it goes. We just have a condition on this platform. I'm going to go through the other platforms in a second. So as capital.com is also one of my tested platforms, that is why I use my entries according to this platform as well. So let's see how it goes. Again, if you're not an aggressive trader, your double bottom entry looks something like this, rejection box something like this. If we have, let's say, a pullback and price rejects from here and then forms a bullish engulfers or pin bar 382 candle, green candle, in that case that will become a valid double bottom as well. Otherwise that is a valid entry, and take your trades on your own risk. It is just my opinion and it is how I personally take my trades. So I have two targets set. As you know, 180 is always my initial targets, and second target is a bit bigger here on commodities. Next, if you are looking at NG1, here on NG1, if you look here, that is a previous level of support. I'm not using this level as a support, but using some discretion. As you can see right here, that is a previous level of support. So that is why that can be a minor support, and we have a bullish engulfer right here as well. So again, simply stop loss below, take profit 1-1 like I've just shown you. Otherwise double bottom is also in a play. So that is all I'll be looking at, and let's see how this trade goes. For now, we have a valid buy signal and I'm expecting a price to head higher. Now, if the, let's say, price pushes lower, break below these lows, in that case of course my stop loss will hit and price will then head towards a next level of support, which I've already mentioned in my last video. Feel free to check that out and mark these zones on your charts. Here on Ovanda, exactly the same double bottom here on Ovanda right here, and I'm still paying attention to the zone below right here in case we have a dramatic fall. And right here, these zones has been mentioned yesterday in my video. If we have a dramatic fall, of course we'll be out, and then I'll start to look for my bullish engulfers or double bottom within this area. That is a major area of value. Next up, we have gold. Gold is now pushing down, broke below the triangle pattern. Now, in that case, that wouldn't have been played out. As you can see, that aggressive entry wouldn't be played out. But if you are a less aggressive trader, of course, we haven't got any conditions here. For now, we are below 50 EMA, and I'm only interested to take sell trades, but not at this point. For me, for my entries, I want to see a clear break below this low. Once we have broken below this low, just with a pullback and a bearish engulfer. Be patient with the conditions. That is all I'll be looking at. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our short trades once we are broken below. Otherwise, for the buy trades, I want to see a break above this high. Once we've broken above this high, just with a pullback and bullish engulfing pattern is something I'll be looking at. So keep an eye, buy above this high and sell below this low with a pullback followed by bearish or bullish engulfing pattern. So keep an eye for your condition. For now, we can see some range before the price will decide to push up or lower. Once we have broken below this low, I'll be looking at the level below, which I've already mentioned in my last video. In case you have missed it, it is 2.2514 goes to 2536.50, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trade. So keep an eye. Let's see how the price breaks. Next up, we have silver. Silver is nicely bounced up from the level of support and double bottom area as well. So as we are still not completely broken above 50 EMA, let's see how this candle close. Once we are above 50 EMA and this high as well, I'll be looking for my buy trades only. For now, we just expect a range sideways, but we do not have any entry condition. For my next entry, of course, the breakup of this high followed by pullback, bullish engulfing pattern, and then we are looking at the level above right here. Let's see how it goes. Not selling at this point as we are above these highs and we are not completely broken below 50 EMA. Sell trades will only happen once the price break and close below these lows. I'll keep you guys informed in my next video. Market is a bit slow and it's Monday, is the start of the week, and let's see how the price starts to move. We have crude oil. As you can see, we have broken below, and once this candle is closed, we have a likely chance that price will likely to push down to the next level of support, which is right here. As you can see, these numbers in blue. In that case, we will also get a valid double bottom on daily time frame. So let's see how it goes. We have a candle that is closing below. As you can see, we had a little fake out and then the candle closed back up. But if this solid candle closed below, that will become an aggressive break of accumulation, and in that case price will likely to push down, and we can start to look for the pullback entry bearish on 4-hour time frame and keep on taking shots till we are in this area I've just mentioned. Keep an eye, only bearish trades for crude oil, and we're expecting a push down. Looking at this bearish Engulfor as well, we have a good signal and prices will likely to push down to this level first, which is right here, and then rejection box for the double bottom pattern right here. Lastly, I want to mention US cocoa as well. So I was getting some messages from traders to do analysis on US cocoa. Right here, I've already sent these zones to my members, but I'm adding this in this week's analysis right here. As you can see, this level of resistance is only an area I'm not expecting a price to head to, but of course it's not going to jump straight away. I want to see pullbacks. As you can see, this pullback happened with the bullish Engulfor. We can see another pullback, a possible retest of this recent anchor that has been broken. Once we have a pullback and if the price from bullish Engulfor above 50 MA, I'm going to go long and keep on taking longs with a pullback until the price hit my counter trend trading zone, from where I will be looking to enter my sell trade. Is a very good level from where we can look for the condition like bearish Engulfor or double top entry pattern. Inverted hammers, 3-2 candle bearish is also one of my sell entry conditions. So these are conditions now I'll be looking at here on US cocoa. That's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.